how are you all? Again I am here with your EVS class. So what concept we are learning, dear children? We are learning about the animals or the fauna. Okay, fauna is called the learning of animals, about the animal kingdom. Okay kids, and so in previous class we had learned some animals that lives in the desert, animals that lives in the forest, and today we are going to learn about the animal that lives in the Arctic. Arctic. What do you think what Arctic would be? Okay, but before that I want you to do one activity in your home. Okay, now ask your mama to take out some ice cubes from the freezer and hold it in your hand. So parent, please provide some ice cubes to hold that in your kid's hand for some time, or how much long they can hold, can give them. Okay, can you hold the ice cubes for a longer time in your hand? Yes or no? Of course no, we can't hold the ice cubes for a longer time in our hand. But do you know, there are some places in the earth that is full of ice, everywhere ice all throughout the year. And such places are called Arctic. Now tell me children, if we want to live in that place, what are the things we needed? We need sweater, of course. The very first is sweater. We need shoes, socks. We need scarves, mufflers, kittens, woolen gloves. All these things are needed, and even we need a house with heater. Okay. So all these things we need in there. But do you know, there are animals that lives in that Arctic, and you might be thinking how those animals are living in that Arctic, in the ice for longer days, for long years, all through the years there are ice. How do those animals survive in that land? Kids, those animals have some specialities that helps them to survive in the Arctic. Okay kid? Okay, first let's see about the walrus. Walrus thrive in the water. See, this is the walrus. Okay, this is a walrus. Walrus lives in the Arctic region and they have a tusk in their mouth. Can you see the tusk? Yes? Yes, they have tusk in the mouth and they feed on the fish. Okay, and the Arctic region is full of food for them, and their body is covered with a thick blubber or their thick dense coat. Their skin is very thick that allows it to survive in the intense cold. Okay, and what do they do? How do they feed on the fish? They dig a hole in the ice using the tusk and they catch the fish and eat it. Okay, the very next animal is the Arctic fox. Arctic fox. Can you see the color of Arctic fox? What is the color of Arctic fox? It is in pure white color. See how it is blended with the surrounding region, isn't it? So they have plenty of food in the Arctic region. And the very famous animal in the Arctic region is the polar bear. We call it as a polar bear. The polar bear from the ice. See, they are so big. It is the biggest animal of the Arctic region. At least it is 800 kilograms of weight. Okay, and it is 8 feet longer animal. And the body is covered with thick fur that helps them to survive in the intense cold. They feed on the fishes in the Arctic region. They are good swimmers. Even the polar bears are good swimmers. Okay, kid? And next, we do like this bird. This is called penguins. Penguins live year-round in the cold weather. See, these penguins, they survive only in the cold weather. They couldn't go and stay in any other places, that is without cold. And whale, look at the whale, killer whale. The killer whale, they live in the Arctic region. Okay, they have their body is covered with a thick blubber, that is a dense skin. Their skin is so thick that allows the whale to live in the Arctic region. And there are some more animals such as seals, musk oxen, and snowy owl. See, all these animals have thick fur on their body. That is a very special features of that animals. Okay, they have a thick fur on their body that helps them to survive in the intense cold. They are white in color. Maximum they are white in color. They easily blend with the environment and they can feed on their food. Okay, and their body is full of fur until their leg. They have the fur until their leg. Okay, shall we see the polar region or the Arctic region animal once again? Okay, this is walrus. What is this? Walrus. Good. And this is Arctic fox. Say Arctic fox. Polar bear. This one is polar bear. Good. And this one is penguins. These are penguins. Whale. Seal. These are seal. Musk oxen. Snowy owl. These are snowy owl. Okay, and these are the Arctic region animals. They live in the ice, which is full of ice throughout the year. Okay, and kids, today we are going to do an interesting activity that is called takeaway. Today we are going to do the penguin. Okay, so you take out your takeaway cover, and what are the things you need to take is, you need to take a black color circle shaped paper. You need to take the feet of the penguin that looks like this. Okay. You need to take the beak of the penguin that is in triangle shape, and you have to take the eyes. Okay. Now keep this paper aside and sit with your gum. So what you have to do is, first you have to fold it like this. First fold the paper like this, circle shaped paper like this. Okay. Once it's done, and after that, this is the first folding. Okay, and this is the second folding. Like this you have to fold. Now what you have to do, you have to stick the beak. Apply the gum. Open it. Apply the gum, open it and fold it like this. You could get this texture like this, and after that apply the gum to the eyes. Purple eyes. Stick the eyes like this. Okay, and after that it's turn to stick the legs. You have to apply the gum in the orange side. Like this you have to apply the gum in the orange color. And Your penguin is all ready. Ta-da! Your penguin is all ready. How is it? This is your penguin takeaway. Arctic region bird. It is the bird that lives in the Arctic region. Okay, so children, so today we have learned the animals in the Arctic region and we made a takeaway of penguin. Okay, kids, so do this activity, take a picture of it and upload in WhatsApp group. Everyone should upload your pictures in a WhatsApp group. Okay, children, so until I meet you in the next class, it's your auntie saying bye and take care.